Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. Today I thought I would discuss 3 stocks that have upcoming ex-dividend dates this next week. All 3 stocks that can be utilized in a dividend capture swing trade type of strategy. I've done quite a few of these videos in the past. Personally like this type of strategy. Shorter term stock market strategy does have some tax implications. And for new investors on the channel, just briefly, you try to jump into a stock before its ex-dividend date, the date in which the ownership of the dividend changes. So if you jump in and buy the stock before that date, you qualify for the dividend, and then on the ex-dividend date or thereafter, you can sell off the stock. You still receive that dividend. You can try to get a positive swing trade and then use that capital for another round of dividend capture swing trades. So a very good way of utilizing the shorter term stock market. Does have some tax implications. You essentially will have non-qualified dividends. You'll have a higher tax rate, but the whole idea is try to turn over your capital as many times as possible. Jump into a stock, capture the dividend, sell off the stock, hopefully in a positive swing trade, and then use that capital again to jump into another stock and repeat the process essentially each week. So for this week, I have 3 stocks. Not a lot of great companies this week, but I think 3 stocks that are very amenable to this type of strategy. First here, starting with LM, Legg Mason. If we go to the bottom of the screen here, you can see this is an investment firm, global management firm, somewhat of a smaller cap company. If we go up to the statistics here, $2.65 billion for market cap, PE ratio 7.35, which is about average for this market class. Dividend yield, last dividend payment 2.755, which is similar to this next dividend payment, which will be 2.8%. Looking at the graph here over the last 1 month, it's down 1.72%. Over the last 3 months, it's down 10.66%. This could be a contrarian play jumping into a stock that is down over the last 1 year 15.83%, but over the last 5 years it is up 1.8%, but that definitely trails behind the overall S&P 500. So the important dates for Legg Mason here: the ex-dividend date will be on the 4th of October, payment date will be on the 23rd of October, 34 cents per share for a dividend yield. It'll be a little bit higher dividend yield, 4.4% on this particular dividend payment. So Legg Mason is the first company here. A little bit better company and somewhat of the same market class would be this company here, JPM, JP Morgan Chase and Company. Take a look at the bottom here. You can see this is a financial firm, financial holding company, a number of different entities under its umbrella company. Much larger company, as you can see in the middle here. Market cap $386.57 billion. PE ratio a little bit higher than LM, but still very respectable for this market class, 15.371. Dividend yield on the last dividend payment was 1.98%. The upcoming dividend payment will be around 2.75%. Take a look at the graph of the last 1 month. It's down 1.52%. 3 months, it's up 8.59%. Over the last 1 year, it's up 23.96%. I do believe this is the better of the 2 companies, especially if you're jumping into a stock looking to hold a little bit longer term. JPM definitely is superior to LM. The important dates for JPM, much like LM, the ex-dividend date will be on the 4th of October. Payment date will be the 31st of October, 80 cents per share. We're getting a dividend payment around 2.75%. The last company is a company I personally have in the portfolio. That company is Ple Apple Hospitality. This is a real estate investment trust. We take a look at the bottom. You can see the type of properties in which this company manages, income-producing real estate, primarily in the lodging sector. You can see on the bottom there, operates under Marriott and Hilton brands. Very large real estate investment trust, $3.97 billion, PE ratio 23.52. It's got a very good dividend payment as well, 6.11% on the last dividend payment. The upcoming dividend payment will be 7%. Take a look at the graphs up on top. A lot of volatility, up and down movement for the past 1 month, down 1.36%, 3 months down 0.81%. As you go out a little bit longer term, you can see that volatility, up and down pattern. But you can definitely see that here in the 5-year graph, kind of peaking and diving quite regularly here over the last 5 years of trading. The important dates for Apple Hospitality: the ex-dividend date will be the 2nd of October, payment date 15th of October, 10 cents per share for a dividend payment just right around 7%. And this is also a very good company as it's a monthly dividend stock. A lot of real estate investment trusts are that way. The only downside is that with real estate investment trusts, they are non-qualified dividends. So even if you held this stock for the 60-day period in which you can qualify dividends, the stock would still be unqualified. You will be subjected to higher tax rates. But for this type of strategy, dividend capture swing trades, you are looking to get into a stock and get out of a stock very quickly and reuse that capital. So it's not a big consideration, but if you are looking to hold this longer term, you will have unqualified dividends even if you hold this stock for months to years. So those are the 3 stocks this week. Again, not great companies. I think the best company out of all 3 would be Ple here, Apple Hospitality, JP Morgan & Chase & Company. JPM is also a very good long-term buy and hold stock. And the last company there, LM, is minimal to this type of strategy, but definitely would not be holding that for the longer term. So let me know if you guys are still doing dividend capture swing trades, definitely diving back into this type of strategy. If there are better stocks out there this week, please let me know. Always looking for new stocks to read up on and research. So if you guys have any questions about this video, other videos, please let me know down in the comment threads, and I will try to get back to you guys as quickly as I can. So again, if you guys have any great video ideas, let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.